Good morning. Um, so this is my first time using Screencast, and so far so good. I think I've live recorded on my phone before, and this is essentially the same concept. The only thing that's new to me is that I have never used the microphone on my MacBook before because I couldn't figure it out. So I'm a little nervous because that's a pretty integral part of this assignment, so we'll hope it works. Um, but okay, so here is the flyer, or it's not minimized enough. So here's the whole flyer. I will re-maximize so it's easier to see. But I am focusing on English language arts, and content best practices for that specific area, specifically in secondary education is my area. So I made this on Canva, and the two articles I pulled from were published by the NCTE, which is the National Convention for, or National Council for Teachers of English, and publication by the Ohio State University. So the first one from NCTE is this one right here, the case for integrated standards in English language arts. I wanted to put a key takeaway just because I am not very good at being succinct, and I love to put all of the information possible down, so I put a key takeaway at the end, that the language arts should be taught together and work interdependently rather than as separate modes of literacy. Basically, what this means is that much of this article discussed the importance of teaching reading and writing together rather than as separate entities of literacy. Because I think many people know that the best writers are also readers. And speaking from personal experience, like the more I read, the better I was at writing, and then the more experience I had with writing, the better I was at identifying certain elements of the text that I was reading. So traditionally, it's been like reading, writing, and arithmetic, but they're all separate things. And this specific article, journal entry, made the case that they should be taught together in order to further students' abilities further students' literacy capabilities and success in the English classroom. I'm already at 3 minutes. Like I said, I'm not good at being succinct, but I'll try to wrap it up. The second article I read from the Ohio State University is High School English Language Arts Teachers Argumentative Epistemologies for Teaching Writing. So this one focused on argumentative writing. The reason that this one drew to me is because in my practicum right now, in both the AP Lang and Comp class and the English 3 class, the students are learning rhetorical analysis, and part of that is they are reading argumentative essays and speeches. So again, a key takeaway. Not all teachers are the same, and it's important to respect teachers' instructional styles. And I don't know, that was a typo. So we're learning together. So instructional styles and personal styles go hand in hand with teachers. So if we're telling all teachers, if the curriculum is telling all teachers that they need to teach their students this one concept this one way, that's not going to benefit the students necessarily if the teacher is not naturally inclined or proficient in the way in which they're being asked to teach. This article journal was specific to argumentative writing in high school. And right here, I screenshotted part of the article, a table, and put it in structural, ideational, and social practice. Those were the 3 types of argumentative instruction that teachers implemented, and the article followed the teachers and how it played out and what worked best for each educator. So that was that, and then this is my works cited page. Nothing crazy there. But yes, first screencast done. I'm a little nervous, but thank you for watching.